Oktopus contains a variety of subject-specific tools that will enhance your lesson, including a fraction tool. What I love about the fraction tool is that it easily and quickly creates fraction models to fit your lesson. To get started, click on the Standards tool, Math from the menu, and select the fraction icon. Create a fraction using the arrows to increase or decrease the value of the numerator and denominator. Then drag and drop the fraction to generate your model. Use the pen tool to name the fraction. All annotations can be saved, including as a PDF for later review. Both fraction circles and fraction bars can be created. With either choice, the models will have equal sized parts and colors that will clearly show the numerator. So simple and easy. Qwizdom Oktopus. To find out more, go to www.qwizdomoktopus.com.